Hi, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I edit my photos. Okay, so I'm going to be editing this photo right here, and I'm going to start with editing the colour in Lightroom and then heading over to Photoshop to retouch the image a little bit more. So let's start with the editing on the computer. So I'm editing in Lightroom Classic, and the first thing I like to do is crop down the image till it looks pleasing to the eye. And in the colour settings, I set it to auto. And the presets I like to use is the C Small presets. And I usually just click through these presets till I find one that suits the image. And now I'm just going to play around with the basic settings here in Lightroom till I get the colour that I like. So the next thing I'm going to do is open up this photo in Photoshop. So the composition of this image was slightly off, it wasn't completely straight. And so here you can see me moving the image around so the horizon is completely straight. Now we're in Photoshop. I like to use this new thing in here called neural filters and skin smoothing, and it automatically smooths the skin, and I just love using this as it's so easy to use.
Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back.
And then after this, I'm going to use the patch tool, which I use to get rid of any blemishes on the skin. Then I'll start dodging and burning.
But you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson. But if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah. Try again. Push the pedal to the pavement. Always dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson. But if you want, can we try again? We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Try again. Oh yeah. Try again.
Okay, so that's how I edit my images, and I'll show you one more time a before and after. So thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment down below on what you thought of the final image. And don't forget to hit the like button, hit the bell, and subscribe to my channel, as I would love to see a new face join a part of my community. But I'll see you next time. I'll see ya.